Hello everybody, we got this Camaro here that I've been working on for doing a lot of things for this customer. So right now we're going to end up changing the tail lights, and to do that we need to remove the subwoofer assembly. And for subwoofer there's one screw right here and the other screw is right in there. Once you get that, there's one more underneath here that's also 10 millimeter. Perfect. Take that out. Alright, then you just yank the box out right here. I'm not going to totally disconnect this guy. I just need to get behind the taillight assembly right here. So to do that, we're going to remove this cover back, and you can see these little nuts holding the taillight assembly in place. Move this back to the second one, all the way back there. Got this one, and tail lights already out. Now at this point, I'm just gonna put the tail light back in. I don't want to scratch the paint here. I disconnected it. I don't want to do it with one hand. That would end up scratching the paint. So right now, we got a new tail light here. I ended up getting these tail lights. And we got 3 bulbs, 1, 2, 3. And plug those back in. I just got all the bulb installed. So the bulb with the green cap is a reverse light. With the red one is a brake light, and the other one is your turn signal. Connect these back up. And we're going to tighten these back in. The new taillights do come with their... So here is how you replace your taillights on a 95 Camaro. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and swap this one. To swap this one, we do have to remove the panel. You can see the button here. So you're going to point it to unlock right there. And this should unlock the panel. Perfect. Gonna go down here, unlock this guy, down here. This is already unlocked, so I'm gonna leave that. The panel just easily lifts off once all of them are unlocked. And then we will go behind, just like the other one. You'll see a fastener back here. Okay. Well, this one here is behind the spare tire, so we gotta pull the spare tire out. To do the spare tire, you're just gonna loosen that right there. I think it's already loose. I'll completely take it out. I didn't completely remove it, I just loosened it enough so it can move it forward and get to the butterfly fastener in the back. And you can see as you remove it. Perfect. Here we are. Another one there, and the tail light comes off. Nice and neat. So same way, I unplugged the bulbs, put the light back in, and got that light connected. Now we're just gonna put the fasteners back in. As you can see, this is how the car looks. Looks pretty good. I like the original ones, but we cannot get the original ones in good condition. Most of them have the same problem with the reverse lights leaking, so that's what we're going to work with. We're going to put the panel back in, lock everything up, and that does it for me. Thanks for everybody for watching. Hopefully this helps you replace your taillights on the Camaro. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Take care.